Today I'm gonna tell you how we can travel just with a small personal item. A lot of budget airlines would give you very cheap tickets, but they will not give you any luggage and they will start making money on all the additional stuff. But you always have your personal item. It is really very small, but if you're going for 3-4 days, do you really need many things? I actually have even much more room that I can take with me, so the personal item really works. Well, even though I uploaded all of my documents and everything online for the international trip, they still want me to go to the line for all the verifications. Kind of have a problem with that because it's weird, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I have to. I'm still checking right now, so I'm flying to Bogota, and Colombia requires to have the vaccination card or COVID test, and I have vaccination card, which makes my life a little bit easier. To go through security very fast, just put all of your stuff in your backpack before you even hit the security checkpoint. They're gonna start boarding in a couple of minutes, so let me show you really quick what I have in my bag so you know what I travel with. As you see, I don't have much, but I really have enough things that I need for a couple of days. So at the beginning I had the light ultra down jacket by Uniqlo, I had my MacBook, I had the Marmot rain jacket because it rains in Bogota, I have my charger. Over here I have t-shirts, socks, one pair of pants and one shirt, drone, personal care items, a little bit of electronics and cables, banana and plastic bottle to refill water because I lost mine, and this is an empty backpack. So that's all I have with me. So I'm already in Bogota, got some presents, and I want to mention a couple of really important things when you travel only with a little personal item. First of all, don't really take a lot of stuff with you because you don't really need it for a couple of days. Just select one good pair of pants, select one very good pair of shoes that are going to be durable and you can walk a lot. Then don't take any big puffy clothing, like don't take a big huge hoodies, or at least travel in them. So all that is like the biggest jacket, something, put it on you, put some stuff in the pockets, and then you will avoiding having huge backpack, and you will actually feed all of the stuff in the tiny backpack like this. So safe travel, guys, and I will go and explore Bogota.